Hi there and welcome to the Pure Proposals channel. My name is Ben and today we're going to take a look at how to add variable fields to your document templates. You may want to do this to pre-fill information from your CRM or otherwise to make editing your documents quicker and easier before sending them out. So without further ado, let's get started. So here we are in a base template from PandaDoc and you can see that there are already some variable fields populated throughout the template here. These are the role variable fields, which you can see by clicking on the roles here, and you can see that the sender and the client are the roles associated in this particular template. So before sending, you can add these people in when you use the template, and you get this screen here. You can add the email address, the first name, etc., and some additional fields below, which will populate in those role fields that exist here. You're not limited just to the role fields, and you can use CRM fields. You're certainly not limited to just the role fields. You can actually link your CRM such as HubSpot, Pipedrive, Salesforce, etc. to your PandaDoc instance and then have those variable fields populate over. So for example, on a contact record within HubSpot, you might have, the name of the contact, their address, and some information you'd like to populate over into the proposal when you create it from within the integration. And to do so, you can grab those variable fields once you've integrated the platform such as HubSpot across into the document, into the template itself, I should say. So you can actually also, though, manually, if you're not linking in a CRM, you can manually create these fields. And you go about doing that by opening a bracket and typing in the variable name. So you might say here, this is an events proposal. So you might say event product and select enter. That field will populate on the side here. And you can see that it's been added to the proposal in one spot here. So how this works is when you use the template and you're in the document, you can go ahead and add a value to that, or in this instance, if you're on the template level, you might want to have just a defined value for that can be changed on a document level before sending. So for example, balloons. And that will populate there throughout the document if that field were added in other sections. So that's how you go ahead and add variables. You can see on the right hand side here, you've got the number of those variables throughout. If you're using a CRM, you'll add those fields from your CRM. I'll probably do some other videos on that in the future with regards to HubSpot and other CRM platforms. But that's basically an overview of the variable fields within HubSpot. If you have any questions, drop a comment and I will get back to you. And yeah, thank you so much for watching.